Hey guys, I want to show you real quick this new thumbnail maker that's coming out Thursday, the February 5th. And if you're watching this, it may already be launched, but it makes magic thumbnails. And I'm really impressed with it. It's very cheap too. It's, I think, $47 front end. But I wanted to just quickly go over what you can do with it and just show you some basics about it. With the Pro version, I get AI face cloning and magic thumbnails. I also get all the templates. I'll just show you what the templates look like here. And you can modify any of these inside of Canva. You just highlight over it and click on it, and then you can edit the design in Canva if you wanted to. But what they do with this magic thumbnail is they'll replace these character images with your own images. Let's make one right now. You can see I've already been playing around with it. This is broken down by YouTube or transcripts. With this one YouTube I put in there, and this is about 7 clever ways to use RSS Masher or repurpose AI content. I created these thumbnails just from this one video. You can do a lot of multi-purposing or repurposing content for this one video. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull another video and just show you how easy it is. And let's go into, we'll just find one here real quick. These are RSS Masher and Geek Out Friday shows. I'm going to do this one here. I'm just going to grab the link. I'll come up here and paste it into Clickly. Come back over here, and we're going to create a new thumbnail. So you can put in your transcript or you can put in the YouTube. I'm going to drop in the YouTube and analyze and edit video. It's going to quickly go through and pull the transcript basically out of YouTube to analyze it. In fact, I think it's all ready to go right now. Okay. What you want to do is choose a preset in here. Any of these preset themes you could use, or you can upload a reference theme to start with. But I like all these presets. What I'm going to do is I have in here 4 different presets, and all they are is you just create a new clone and you can call it whatever you want. I'll just call this one Damon Nelson number 5. And then just drop an image in there. And I'll drop in, let's see if I find one real quick here. Here's one right. It's talking head. And this is actually an AI clone. So I'm going to hit create. Okay. So using that image right there, I can pick any of these. And I'm going to do a 16 by 9. I'm going to use this one preset right here, which is my image. And I'm just going to go ahead and go title behind. And it costs 4 credits to do one image. Go ahead and here's your credit. They keep track of it real easy. If you need to buy more credits, you just click the buy button. Click here to make some magic. And while that one is working, you can actually do multiple at the same time. I do like the little billboard sign there, because what you got to think in terms of is scrolling. People are scrolling. How are they going to pick this out? We'll do that one. And that looks pretty good. But I'm going to do some 9 by 16s as well. Now let's do one with a quote box. And I'll do this cool text overlay. Now, the text overlay you can actually edit. It will make a first run at putting in the right text, but sometimes it's not the right text. Almost done. We've made 2 9 by 16s, 2 16 by 9s off of one YouTube video. And you can do this all day long with, come back over here and make a magic thumbnail. And we're going to create a new one with a new YouTube in there. And I'll just put that. I have some old Geek Out Fridays in here. This one is an ugly thumbnail. We only had 158 views on it. I'm going to copy this. And the cool thing is, if you want to revise an old video, this is the trick that you need to do, is find your old video with the ugly thumbnail, copy the link, and then come over here to Clickly. This is such a sneaky idea too. And now I'm going to create blueprint. Let's make a blueprint. And I'm going to just change the face. Come back here. This was actually a headshot I had a long time ago. This one, I like this one. It's a close-up. What I've noticed is if you do a shot from like your chest up, a close-up of your face is really what you want. You don't want a full body shot or a medium shot. I'm going to do that one, and I'm going to choose this blueprint. And while I'm doing it, let's go ahead and do arrow and text. Okay, I'll come over here 9x16s, and I'm going to do this one. We got 2 videos running at the same time. That's cool. And I'm going to come back over here to Magic Thumbnails and how to create a AI baby podcaster secrets. I love this one. That looks great. AI viral expert. It's reading the transcript and it's creating this content for you. Make viral baby AI video. Oh, I love this one right here. Viral AI baby podcaster step-by-step guide. This is great. I like this. To edit this, you would just simply choose the image and click edit. And I've already done this one, but I want to show you how I did it. You would just say remove the number 3. Come down here and go generate edit. And it should look like this. And there we go. Very easy. You just click the edit with AI, change text, and you're ready to go. When you're ready to download, you just click the download button. Very easy to do. Great tool. For the price point that it's at, I highly recommend it. Check it out. And I know they've got some bonuses. How to install a YouTube reply assistant. I haven't even looked at the bonuses because I didn't buy it for that. But it is pretty powerful when you can take an old video like I've done with that really boring one that I had, which was this one. And I'm going to put a new video thumbnail on it. I'll just show you real quick how to do that. In fact, I will bring this up and just say edit. To AI edit video. And now I need to put a new thumbnail in there. Let's figure out which one we're going to use. Web 2.0 affiliate income. I kind of like this one. This is the blueprint one. It's got vest there. Web 2.0 profits. That's not bad. I like this one too. I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to hit download. Come over here to my YouTube, and I'm going to click that little button and hit change. Web 2.0 profits, and hit save. Now this was one that almost 2 years old. I would actually come in here and give it a better name, change the description, and I'm off to the races here. Okay, highly recommend it. Give it a try. I'll see you on another video. Thanks for watching.